Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. And this video is going to be a template preview. And you guys, this week I have came up with custom templates for jump ropes. You guys, look at these. These are super cute. Look at that. My Little Pony thing. And then I made this one for my son. Super cute. And these are just the ropes that you get from Dollar Tree. I went out and purchased these today, and yeah, did these templates. The measurements is going to be over on my Patreon page if you guys would like to join it. I have almost like 70 different templates. Patreon is a good thing for you to invest in if you are looking to make a business out of, you know, this type of thing. But if you would just like to purchase it individually, you can always go over to my website. But you guys, look at this. Super cute. For a kid's party favor, or even to put down inside of a basket, you know, like an Easter basket for some gifts or anything like that. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye.